You see that cutie in the frames? That's me, Romeo, also known as Mr. Possum. These are my best buddies, Nali and P-Man. My favorite thing about them is that they do all my grooming themselves with the Forbes Buddy Pet Grooming Kit. Bring the pet spa home. Don't get me wrong, I love the spa. But when they do it for me, it feels special. The kit comes with multiple easy-to-use accessories. Something even these two can easily use. First, the de-shedding tool, or as I like to call it, the de-hairinator. Sends me to my happy place. Then we come to my favorite, the fur whisperer, or also known as the grooming brush. Yeah, that hits the spot. Up next, we have the trimmer. Personally, I think I look great just the way I am. But I can't have any chinks in my furry armor. After all, I gotta look perfect for my followers. After we're done with all the fun, it's time for more fun! P-Man, get the fluffo! I mean the blow dryer. Its low decibel design makes it sound like birds chirping. I hate birds, which for fur buddies like me is slightly noisy but not disturbing at all. Silent yet powerful. It's perfect for those finishing touches. It has 3 modes, like the hot mode, which is pretty handy for when I'm coming in wet and slippery. Max fluffiness! Now it's time for cuddles and kisses. So while these two get cleaned up, let's talk business. To all pet parents out there, get the Forbes Buddy Pet Grooming Kit. It's a fun and easy way to groom your fur buddies at home. Plus, it comes with the Mr. Possum seal of approval.